Here's a great way to scaffold learning when introducing a new song. Only play one time on the chord changes. The teacher quickly moves the lyrics along to get to the chord changes and makes it very obvious when to play. The absence of beat really helps kids feel less pressure as they learn the chords, the placement of the chords, and the lyrics. Let me show you how. Albuquerque is a turkey and he's feathered and he's fine. Albuquerque is a turkey and he's absolutely mine. He's the best pet you can get, yet better than a dog or cat. And he wobbles and he gobbles and he's awfully proud of that. As the kids get better at learning the song, you can add beat back to it, more strumming for those who are ready. A great differentiation is to say to those who aren't ready to add extra strums that it's okay if you play only on the chord changes.